Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Installing Python on a Mac is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through the steps with code examples. Open the terminal on your Mac and type the following command to check if Python is already installed. If Python is installed, you will see a version number. If not, you'll get an error message. Homebrew is a package manager for macOS. If you don't have it installed, you can install it using the following command. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Now that Homebrew is installed, you can use it to install Python. In the terminal, run. This command will download and install the latest version of Python. Check the Python version again to ensure that the installation was successful. This time, you should see the version number without any errors. It's a good practice to set up a virtual environment for your Python projects to avoid conflicts between different projects. You can use venv for this. This creates a virtual environment named venv. To activate it, run. If you plan to use any external Python packages, you can install them using pip. For example, replace requests with the name of the package you want to install. When you're done working in your virtual environment, deactivate it by running. That's it. You've successfully installed Python on your Mac. Feel free to use it for your projects, and remember to activate your virtual environment whenever you're working on a specific project. ChatGPT.